put a battery into a SYMA drone. This is an X8 and this is the battery pack. Now, one thing I will say is that it's a very poor design. You'll see I've actually cut the end off here. I got multiple batteries with my drone, and my child had these batteries and he was holding them while I was flying the drone. And when you have plugs like this, when you're a code, what do you want to do? You want to plug them together, right? Well, in their cleverness, SYMA have made it so if you plug the two batteries together, they dead short against each other. So it like exploded and sparked and scared the living daylights out of him. And I then, to resurrect these two batteries, they weren't destroyed, thank goodness, but the connectors were. In order to resurrect these batteries, I had to cut off the plastic and then file this back to shape so that it was the right shape again. So whatever you do, don't plug two batteries together end to end. Otherwise, yeah, nasty situation. So the battery, we have a battery cover here. We pull that down and we pull out these wires here, which are the other end where you are supposed to plug your battery. And this is all a bit awkward. There's a nice great big slot in there for the battery to go into. And what you need to do, you plug the big to the little and the little to the big. So that goes that way around, like that, and goes in. Then that's as far as it goes in. So now it's just a matter of tucking those wires in and out of the way, like that. But they don't ever fully get out of the way. You just get them all out of the way of the catch where it catches. And then we close that, and there we go. Battery is mounted.